Are Bitcoin and Shiba Inu the same type of crypto? What's a coin and what's a token? Let's clear it up, simply and quickly. A coin is a cryptocurrency that runs on its own blockchain. Think of Bitcoin. It has the Bitcoin blockchain. Same for Ethereum. It runs on the Ethereum blockchain. Coins are used mostly as money, like digital cash. Now, tokens are built on existing blockchains. They don't have their own network. For example, USDT and Shiba are tokens on the Ethereum blockchain. Tokens can be used for many things, not just money, like gaming, voting, or even NFTs. Here's the main difference. Coins have their own blockchain. Tokens built on someone else's blockchain. Both are cryptocurrencies, but coins currency, while tokens all kinds of digital assets. Let's say you want to buy coffee with Bitcoin. Easy. But if you play a game and earn Shiba tokens, that's also value. Different jobs, same crypto world. Now you know the difference. Coins like digital money. Tokens, digital tools for games, apps, and more. If you found this simple, hit that like, subscribe, and share to keep learning. See you in the next Block Basics video.